Hey everyone, it's Angie Leach with Too Cool Stamping, and I hope that you're really enjoying the brand new catalog and all the great new colors that we have with the color refresh and the new in colors that you see here. I just think that they're fabulous and I can't wait to try all the different color combinations. I have a quick tip for you today, and it's about how to organize your cardstock, or at least how I organize my cardstock. I just spent some time today and I put all the new colors in from the color refresh and all of the new in colors in, and let me show you how pretty it looks. I just love it. I have all my white and my black and gray in this drawer, along with all of my new in colors and the in colors from the previous year. I love that. See how it's all colorful? So pretty. I just wanted to show you how I set it up. Basically, I just use a hanging file folder for every color. I put the color cardstock actually is in the tab so that I can see the color immediately. I don't have to even look for the name. And in the front of every hanging file folder, I have all of the full sheets, and then I have a manila sheet or manila folder in the back for all of the scraps. So I don't have very many scraps right now, but those will fill up as the time goes on. And so that's how I have everything nice and organized. I usually keep not more than maybe a little more than one pack in each file folder, but if I get too much more than that, then the drawer fills up too fast. So I have all of my extra full packs somewhere else. So this is kind of my working files. You'll also notice for the tabs, I kind of staggered all the ones for this in color season are right here. The next ones are over just a little bit. You'll see on some of my other drawers, for example, this one isn't quite as pretty because I have scraps. See, sometimes you get lots of scraps and it really takes up a lot of room. But you'll notice in this one, first of all, one thing you'll notice is that it's not coded by brights, subtles, regals. I have everything organized in rainbow color. So all my blues are together. These are kind of my turquoisey blues, and I have the rest of the blues in a different drawer. And then all the greens, and then in the back I have some of the yellows. Everything's in rainbow color coordination, because that way if I'm looking for a blue, I can see, you know, whatever blues, all the blues that I have at one time. The other thing that you will notice is in order to know whether they're a bright or a subtle or a regal, I have put the tabs to indicate that. So if they're over here on the left hand side, they're brights. If they're the next tab over, they are for subtles, and then these are going to be for the regals. And then if they had any neutrals, for instance up here, I have some neutrals, and that's going to be a little farther over. So that kind of gives me an idea if I forget, oh, you know, is that a bright, is that a regal, is that a subtle? That'll help me remember which category it goes to, since I have them all messed up. As you can see, these are all my oranges and my reds, and then it goes into the browns later on in the back. So this one, as you can see, the crumb cake, I got a lot of scraps in there, so that one doesn't look as pretty. It's all nice and pretty when you have a brand new color. Anyway, it's still pretty organized, easy to see. I just write the stuff on there. It's not any special label, but that's it. I just wanted to show you how I did it. Oh, I have one more drawer. You can see how all my drawers look. This one has all my pinks and my purples, and then all the rest of the blues that weren't in the other drawer. So that is what we have. Anyway, I hope that helps you if you're looking for ideas for storing your cardstock. It really helps me. I've used it for years, and I really, really love this way of handling cardstock. And just so that you don't think that I'm completely organized, because that is so not true, after I get done cutting and I have scraps left over, any kind of remnants, I kind of toss them in this bucket right here, and then I go and file them later on. And as you can see, I have quite a bit of filing to do, so anyway, we'll be working on that this week. So I just wanted to show you, not so organized everywhere, but you gotta start somewhere, right? Anyway, hope I helped you out today. I will see you soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.